Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can reset Instagram Explore page. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure to update it to the latest version available. Now go to your profile page by tapping on your profile icon at bottom right corner and open the hamburger menu. Now open settings, go to suggested content tab and check if there is anything in the not interested section. Go to the sensitive content section and change the preference to anything you want. In order to remove certain type of content from the Explore page, simply head over there, choose the post and select Not Interested from the three dots menu. Now go to the settings page again, access the Meta Account Center and tap on Information and Permissions tab. Access Search History tab, select the target account and remove everything you don't want in your feed, because Instagram shows you posts related to your searches. After that, go to the Activity Center and unlike posts that you think are not related to the type of content you like. And that's how you can reset Instagram Explore page. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.